What if I told you that your kitchen countertops aren't dull and lifeless because they're old or damaged, but because you've been cleaning them wrong this entire time and actually creating a film that makes them look worse with every cleaning? What if one simple method can restore that showroom sparkle you remember from installation day? I spent 3 years thinking my countertops were ruined. Then I discovered the truth, and the transformation was so dramatic that guests thought I'd renovated. Stay with me, because this will bring your countertops back to life. The slow death of beautiful countertops. Remember when your kitchen countertops were new? They gleamed. They caught the light beautifully. They looked expensive and pristine. But somewhere along the way, they lost that sparkle. Now they look dull, cloudy, lifeless. You've tried different cleaners. You've scrubbed harder. You've bought products promising to restore shine. Nothing works. In fact, they seem to look worse over time. You've accepted that this is just what happens to countertops. Here's what's actually happening to your countertops. Most commercial cleaners leave behind a thin film of residue. Detergents, soaps, and additives don't fully evaporate. They accumulate in microscopic layers with each cleaning. Over time, this buildup becomes visible as dullness, cloudiness, or streaking. You're not seeing your countertop anymore. You're seeing layers of old cleaning product. And every time you clean with these products, you add another layer. You're making the problem worse while thinking you're cleaning. The solution. The 3-step restoration. Step 1. Strip the residue. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray generously over entire countertop. Let it sit for 5 minutes. The acid in vinegar breaks down soap and detergent residue. Wipe thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. Repeat this process. You'll notice the cloth picking up cloudy residue. This is all the built-up cleaning product coming off. Keep repeating until the cloth comes away relatively clean. Step 2. Deep clean. After stripping residue, clean with just warm water and a drop of dish soap. Literally 1 drop for the entire counter. Too much soap creates new residue. Wipe down thoroughly, then rinse with clean water and a fresh cloth. This removes any remaining grime without adding new residue. Step 3. Polish and protect. This is the step that brings back the sparkle. For granite or marble, use a specific stone polish or make your own with isopropyl alcohol and water, 1:3 ratio. Spray lightly, buff with a clean microfiber cloth using circular motions. For quartz, skip this step as quartz doesn't need polishing. For laminate, use a small amount of mineral oil buffed with a soft cloth. The maintenance that keeps the sparkle. The secret to maintaining this sparkle is changing your daily cleaning method. Stop using commercial countertop cleaners with detergents and additives. Use only water with a tiny drop of dish soap for daily cleaning, or better yet, just damp microfiber cloth for quick wipes. For disinfection, use isopropyl alcohol spray, 70%, which evaporates completely, leaving 0 residue. Once a week, do the vinegar spray treatment to prevent any residue from building up. Once a month, do the polish step. This maintenance routine takes no extra time, but prevents the dullness from ever returning. It's been 2 months since my restoration. My counters still sparkle exactly like they did after that first treatment. Why this works on all countertop types. This method is effective because it addresses the fundamental problem, residue. Whether you have granite, marble, quartz, or laminate, residue buildup is what causes dullness. Vinegar safely removes this buildup from all these materials, though use it cautiously on marble as it's acid-sensitive. Test in an inconspicuous spot first, or just use water for marble. The principle of cleaning without adding new residue works universally. The transformation impact, beyond the visual improvement. This restoration changed how I feel about my kitchen. I actually enjoy cooking in a space that sparkles. I feel proud when guests comment on my beautiful countertops. And knowing I saved thousands by restoring instead of replacing gives me immense satisfaction. This wasn't just about appearance. It was about reclaiming something I thought was lost forever. Here's a quick recap of the 3-step method to make your countertops sparkle. Vinegar strip, gentle clean, polish. If this just saved your countertops from replacement, smash that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more restoration methods. Share with anyone whose counters have lost their sparkle. Comment what type of countertop you have. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, remove residue, maintain properly, and enjoy countertops that sparkle like the day they were installed.